Earlier this week, I told you that Microsoft was looking into some Windows 11 computers that wouldn't start up after installing the newest security patch. If we check our Windows Update section, this has been creating many issues for many people. And this is just one of them. The update is called KB5074109, which is the January monthly security patch for Windows 11. It was making some computers fail to start, showing the error unmountable boot volume. I'll put the video link below if you want to learn more. Now, I want to tell you that Microsoft has confirmed the problem is only affecting business computers, not regular home users, so Microsoft is figuring out this issue. And on Microsoft's help website, Microsoft has shared more details. So I decided to make this update video to keep you informed if you're experiencing these startup problems. Here's what Microsoft says. Our research shows this problem happens on computers that didn't successfully install the December 2025 security patch. If we go back to Windows Update, the December monthly security patch was KB5074033. That's the update they're talking about, so the issue is affecting computers that didn't install that update. Microsoft says these computers were left in a broken state after the update failed. Trying to install Windows updates while in this broken state could stop the computer from starting. Microsoft says, "We're working on a temporary fix that will stop more computers from failing to start if they try to install an update while in this broken state." However, this temporary fix won't prevent computers from getting into the broken state initially, and it won't repair computers that already can't start. Microsoft adds, "We're still investigating why these computers are failing to install Windows updates or getting into this broken state." So basically, if you try to install new updates while in this state, it can make the system completely unable to start. That's the main issue affecting those computers right now. What we know is Microsoft says it's only affecting business PCs, not home users, which is good news if you're a home user. And obviously, if I get more details or a real working solution or bug fix comes out for this problem, I'll share it and let you know. If you found this update helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.